my students. It looks like you'll miss me another day. What I want you to do, first, my 8th graders realize we do not have school Friday. So what I want you to do is solve these 5 problems by completing the square. So freeze the video, solve these 5 problems by completing the square. Let me raise it so you can see the last one. Then when you solved all 5, turn it back on, then I will do them. So do the 5 problems, please. Okay. So half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. Don't forget you have to add it to both sides. And don't forget we have Friday off. So here, factor x plus 3 squared equals 10. Square root both sides. X plus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 10. So it'd be x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 10. This one, divide everything by 2. So x squared plus 2x plus 10 equals 0. Subtract 10. X squared plus 2x equals negative 10. So I'm going to take half of this number, square it, and add it to both sides. Factor, this would be x plus 1 squared equals negative 9. Square root both sides. X plus 1 equals plus or minus 3i. Subtract 1. X equals negative 1 plus or minus 3i. Then this one, divide everything by 3. It's got to be a 1x squared. Don't forget we have Friday off. So subtract 1, x squared plus 4x equals negative 1. Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So it'd be x plus 2 squared equals 3. Square root both sides. X plus 2 is plus or minus the square root of 3. So x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. Here, divide everything by 5. Half of 12 is 6. 6 squared is 36. So you would have x plus 6 squared. Remember, if you added the right number, it's this variable, this symbol, half of this number. Square root both sides, it's x plus 6 equals plus or minus square root of 35. So x equals negative 6 plus or minus square root of 35. Woohoo! And the last problem, hopefully we're getting this pretty good. Divide everything by 4. So x squared plus 6x plus 20. Subtract 20. Half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Factor x plus 3 squared equals negative 11. Square root both sides. X plus 3 equals plus or minus I square root of 11. So subtract 3. X equals negative 3 plus or minus I square root of 11. I hope you did pretty good with that.